up so we see ya. Y'all feel the sound that's coming straight through the waves. Well, the music from the earth keeps us sane. I'm feeling that herb when the sun hits my face. You create your mind, so make your mental space. Much respect to all the people thinking green. Not just the color, but the message in between. Now is a mental weapon that you'll use frequently. Stop evil people and end their beliefs. Green turns to black, green smoke to black, green turns to black, yeah, that's what we stand for. Green turns to black, green smoke to black, green turns to black, yeah, that's what we stand for. Well, Mr. Tough Guy, he fights physically when all the people really need is some peace. It are these moments where we turn to our weed. It never caused no death, no disease. Don't try and make it seem like we're some foolish youth, throwing away our lives as we're searching for the truth. Don't need authority rules while we go unheard. Still there ain't no crime using herbs. Much respect to all the people thinking green. Not just the color but the message.
Nah guys, kita sudah sampai di Lewi Sorongan. Sekarang kita lagi istirahat di sini. Karena perjalanannya cukup terjal, kita makan dulu di sini. Walaupun kami membawa makanan yang berplastik, tapi kami membuang sampah kepada tempatnya. Cintailah alammu sebagaimana cintai pacarmu. Dan kalian harus tahu, ini makanan tidak bermerek, jadi aman untuk dikonsumsi.
But I don't. When you say that it's gonna be, it always turns out to be a different